Making money on Pinterest affiliate for beginners tutorial. A lot of people have been asking me about this, so I'm gonna go ahead and reveal a lot of secrets, and I'm gonna share with you some information that is gonna make you money through Pinterest when you are doing affiliate marketing. I'm gonna show you tips and tricks. Let's move on. I'm going to show you in this video 7 steps to start making money on Pinterest as an affiliate for free. In this video, you will learn 7 steps to start making money on Pinterest as affiliate for free. I will show you how to find the best product to sell on Pinterest with one click of a button. The second thing I'm going to show you is step by step for making money on Pinterest as an affiliate beginner. So what I mean by that is I'm going to take you by the hand step by step, and I'm going to show you all the important things that you should do and the things that you should not do, because a lot of people not making money on Pinterest because they are doing it wrong. I will also show you the products that make the most money on Pinterest, and I'm also going to show you the easiest way to create your Pinterest pin. I will also show you the best affiliate networks for making money on Pinterest and how to start making money on Pinterest in 24 hours and much more. Okay, as you know me by now, I like to make it easy. Of course, we are talking about making money on Pinterest affiliate for beginners tutorial. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do a blueprint here. I'm going to take this up here, and then we're going to go ahead and get started. Like I said, there are some steps, 7 steps, and I'm also going to show you a bonus about how to make money on Pinterest affiliate. So let's go ahead and start with step number 1. Before you do anything, I know you're smart enough that you would do some research, but I'm going to show you a few things, and I'm going to show you probably the most important things that you should take under consideration when you are doing Pinterest. It doesn't apply for Pinterest, it applies for a lot of stuff. And as you can tell, I have them as a tick list to make sure that we are covering everything that we have here. So don't worry about getting confused. Everything will be fine. Now, we're going to talk about these things because you're smart. Of course, you're going to do your homework, but I have done that homework for you. First, you look at the company. That's what you want to do first. That's what we always do. We take a look at the company, we take a look at their resources and what they do and how we can actually navigate to make money. Now, the first thing I want to let you know, a lot of people don't know that Pinterest is the 3rd largest search engine in the world. But there are some few things here that I'm going to highlight for you because they are very important. And one of them, the first one, is that 71% of Pinterest users are females. So you want to take that under consideration when you are doing some affiliate work for Pinterest or trying to generate affiliate marketing. As you know by now, affiliate marketing is selling someone else's product, but we're going to utilize Pinterest to make money selling other people's product. But you have to know that 71% of the users are females. Now, don't get me wrong, males are also catching up. The other thing that you need to consider is 42 of the US women adult use Pinterest. Why is that important? You're going to find out here in just a little bit. If you give a fish to somebody, they eat for one day. I want to teach you how to fish on your own, so you don't need me anymore. You might need me. I'll be here for you. Don't worry about it. You can always get in touch with me on the comment area. Now, the other thing that you have to consider, you have to think like a marketer. 34% of interest users earn between $50 and $74, which is $75,000. What does that tell you? They can buy. They have the money. Now, the other one that I highlighted for you is 90% of weekly pinners make purchase decision on Pinterest. So because they have the money, if they like the pin, more than likely they're going to go ahead and take action. So the other one is the most popular category on Pinterest is food and drink, followed by home decor. So this is very important. These are that doesn't mean you can't sell anything else, but we are talking about the most popular one. 50% have made a purchase after seeing a promoted pin. In other words, if you want to promote a pin, you have very high chance that you will make money. Pins that promote special sale offer generate a 61 higher email conversion lift. Things are gonna make some sense here in just a little bit. The reason I put a red border around this is because when I get to the next section, you're gonna know exactly what I'm talking about. And the rest of the stuff, you can read it on your own if you like to, but you don't have to sit there and dig through it. I did that myself for you. All right, now we're going to go ahead and tick this because we talked about this. I'm going to do something here to save some time because there is a connection between this and this. This one talking about the best trends and this one finding the best selling niches with one click of a button. So let's go ahead and do that. What you do is you go to a Pinterest trends. Just go pinteresttrends.com. You're going to find this. Now, many people maybe know about it. Some of them don't know about it, but some people don't know how to use it. There are some already niches that are researched for you already by Pinterest themselves. I'm talking about some niches or products that you can take advantage of. Now, in case you are in the fashion industry, obviously, there are some trends here about fashion. There are trends here about nails. You see this graph right here? That means this is killing it. The other thing here I want to talk about is fashion. Fashion is good. You can probably take advantage of that. This is really doing very well right now. Also, there are some more in here. When you click this button, you can find out a little bit more about that. Instead of us going up here, trying things, there are some things here you can take advantage of. They're already doing well. They already picked them up for you. You don't want to take too much time anyway because you want to start making money on Pinterest as an affiliate as soon as possible. This is what we do for some of the clients. We pick something that is already doing well. I just want to show you that there are some stuff already researched for you by Pinterest itself. So it depends on your niche, what you like and what is it that you don't like. You can find that niche with one click. And here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go and create a pin. So we have to create a pin. According to our research that I'm gonna share with you here for free, so you don't have to do it yourself. I'll share that with you in just a little bit. The best place to go and do that is Canva. Canva is free. Okay, we end up on Canva. You just search for canva.com. When you get here, go and hit social media. What we are looking for is Pinterest. Here we go, Pinterest pins. You click on it and you'll have pins that are designed for Pinterest. But we're going to make it a little bit more interesting here for you. We're going to click on food. Now I'm going to show you exactly why we are doing that. We are doing that because food has always been very popular on Pinterest. I picked this right here. This is a pin, by the way. This is a pin. We're gonna change it. I just wrote this right here. Download my recipe book PDF. Now, why did I do that? You see that word PDF? A lot of searches, a lot of people search for PDF. I don't know your niche exactly, so that's why I'm giving you an example. So the most important thing here in this pin is to put download something. You want to give them something of value, not just something to look at. The other thing that you don't want to do is to affiliate offer. Don't do that. I'm going to tell you why in just a little bit. We created this so when somebody looks at it on Pinterest, they're going to see a value. I can download a book. The second thing is it's a niche that is in high demand. So we got two in one pin. And the third thing is PDF. A lot of people, when they search, they put the word PDF at the end, especially with Pinterest. We're going to go to our list here to make sure that, okay, we went to Canva. And what are we going to do is create a pin. Now, we created a pin, but there's something else I want to tell you about. If you don't like this picture, you can delete it and put your own. Like I said, I changed some of this. You can keep it the same. I don't recommend it. What I did is I did this, download. This is very important. Download my recipe book PDF. And up here, you can put anything you want to. We created the pen. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and download that pen. You click here, and then it tells you what it suggests, and then you download it to whatever file you want to, and then you can upload it later on to Pinterest. Now, in case you want to go to publish it on Pinterest right away, you can click this button up here and we'll do the same thing. Okay, we're going to go back to our list here. Step number 4, we created a pin. Step number 5 is that to post pin on Pinterest. Now, I showed you how to download your pin. In case you don't know how to create an account for Pinterest, for example, all you have to do, go on Google and click on that. A lot of videos that show you how to do it. If you go on Pinterest, they're gonna guide you through it. I would not waste too much time watching videos and getting distracted. All right, let's go back to our list, and here we're gonna go and click on this because we did post pin on Pinterest. Now, I'm not going to show you exactly, because the idea here is I want you to do some work too, because this is how you learn. If I give it all to you and I packaged it and I give it to you, you're not going to learn that much. Now, let's go ahead and go to step number 6. We're going to use affiliate network to find the product. I want to make a few suggestions here that you probably already a part of a network or networks, and I'm talking about affiliate networks that are maybe good for Pinterest to make money on Pinterest as an affiliate. There's a reason why I showed you this right here. Must know is that because most of Pinterest users are females. So if you already have some, that's fine. If you don't, I'm going to show you 2 good ones. Now, before you do that, now what are we going to do? Remember, people, let's say, went on this, and this is on Pinterest. Now, they click on it, they're going to download a book. Now, where do you get that book? I'm going to show you a free way where you can get your book. I'm going to go ahead and put it in the description area where you can go to this website right here. Now, I'm going to show you how to actually do this for free. Here's what you want to do. You click on this button right here where it says register for free. You click on it. That means you're going to go ahead and register for free. That means you can use that platform for free. Obviously, you're not going to have the full shebang. What I'm talking about is all the stuff that they have. It is good to have as a beginner because they have a lot of ways to help you in promotional products and things like that, and giving away some stuff. You click on free members. When you click on that, you click here to register for free. So you click on that, you start it, and that's it. You'll have access. They give you some information, or they give you stuff that are free for you to use. So don't worry about that. You can do that. For example, if you are there, you go in, there's a search area, and you look, for example, books. So what happened next? What are you going to do? Let us go ahead and recap right now just a little bit about what we have done so far. We have created a pin, and we use Canva to do that. Inside Pinterest, you can link to anything. You can link straight into a affiliate offer. I do not recommend that for 2 reasons. Number 1, it doesn't really work. The conversion on that is less than 1%. The second reason is, in case you're in a different region or different country, for some reason, Pinterest does not like it. They will not do that, and they probably don't like your account. Another reason that you can think about is that they don't like some affiliate marketing networks. So I don't know which one you are going to send your people to or your prospect to, but on Pinterest, sometimes they don't like that, and they don't like your account, and they start to minimize its presence, or they start to deleting things. So stay away from that. Don't do that. So what we did is we got that pin. When somebody clicks on the pin to download that book that we talking about, of course, it's on Pinterest. Now you have it on Pinterest. Again, this is not about how to create an account on Pinterest. What happens after that? It's on Pinterest. What we need is we need a landing page to collect email addresses for the people. It should be very short. You're probably already using something. I'm not really sure if you are or not. But regardless if you are or not, this is very important for you to be able to do. You have to collect that information and do not give that book yet. What happens after that? They would receive that book inside their email account. And then after that, there's a link in the email, very simple, to say, here's the book that you have asked for. After that, it would go to a thank you page. Now, the way we have our thank you page is that it is automatic because we track everything. So we know that that person did download that book. How do you do all this right here? The one that we have here. How do you do that? Now, I don't know exactly what you have, but the way we do it is we do it through a landing page. We talked about creating a landing page. We did that. Now, the way we do it, I want to go ahead and put it in the link, the program that we use to accomplish this. And it does that automatically days and nights, and it collects their emails and put them on the list. Now, the other thing you want to do is I'm going to go ahead and give you two bonuses. One of them is that you need to go ahead and get started also on a 24-hour traffic. As you know by now, the way I like to do things is to attack on both fronts. For example, I am actually getting a free advertisement, okay, right here. Now, I can do another one to collect emails. Now, what's good about this is that if people actually downloaded that book, I get their email address anyway. Okay, so what happens is that we use a 24-hour traffic, and I'm going to go ahead and put it in the link below so you'll know which one we use. Now, these are targeted traffic. Obviously, when you have their email list, you can sell them anything that you want to. For example, I'm going to show you exactly where to get your product here in just a little bit. So we talked about the 24-hour traffic because you don't want all your eggs in one basket, because you want to start going quickly. But with the combination of both, you'll see 10 times the results. It's important to know which affiliate networks are good for Pinterest for you to make money online. Now, there are two of them. One of them is shareasale.com, and then the other one is clickbank.com. ShareASale it does a lot of things for fashion, and we talked about that when we looked at Pinterest. The fashion was like number one. So you can sell a lot of things on fashion without you actually getting the products or doing anything. What are you doing is affiliate marketing. You are sending people to a particular product, and when they buy it, you get percentage of the sale. So you don't have to have a website. You don't have to have customer service. You don't have to have any of these things. All you have to do is just send them that product. The other thing is ClickBank. ClickBank have all the three niches that I like, which is health, wealth, and relationships, which are the best one that you can get. As far as Pinterest is, as you know, we talked about, is for fashion, food, things like that. And these are buyers. These people are actually buying. So you're not wasting your time when you do it on Pinterest, but you have to do it the right way. If you want to know everything about affiliate marketing, click here. If you want to know about the top affiliate marketers in the world, click here. And as usual, I'll see you at the top.